drone ang dami nululot.
Wow, that's very nice.
That's nice.
Dance Paris? Good job! Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So it is the 31st of December and it is the last day of the year. So we are actually saying goodbye to 2019 guys. So what we're doing now, we are on our way to Docklands and we're going to celebrate our New Year's there with friends of ours, and yeah, we're gonna see the fireworks there as well. So hopefully I can get a better view and show you, like, you know, the fireworks in Docklands, and you know, we'll show you the oh, I don't know, and yeah, show you the fireworks in Melbourne when it's New Year's, guys. So come with us. I'll see you guys soon. So hi guys, we are here now. Well, actually we're not anywhere close to the place that we're going to celebrate our New Year's, because the parking is just really bad around the area. Just not too many car spots, and there's millions of cars around. I could actually see, you know, cars back in and out just looking for parking. So we ended up parking just below, just under the bridge, like the Balti Bridge. So it's around, I don't know, it's probably, I don't know how far, Mark, do you reckon? Like walk
30 minutes.
yeah, maybe 30 minutes to their house, but oh well, that's fine, you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. So Paris just fell asleep, guys, and Dad is out now. It is currently, what's the time? Oh, it's today 8. It's 8 o'clock at night, and I think the first how do you call it, the firework is at 9 o'clock, but we're not here for that. We're here for the midnight fireworks. So like the, you know, bungacious one. So yeah, we're gonna start walking now, guys. We'll see you again soon. Bye. So we're here now, guys. Here's our outfit for tonight.
It's like a...
Where this honey? This is too cold. Come here. Show Paris. Hello, sweetie. Put your jacket on because it's cold. Wow. Boo boo. Oh. Okay, Daddy will carry you because you're too heavy now, okay? Come here, Mark. Show your grandma. Alright, we'll lock the car and then let's start walking.
Come on, do you want to get your hands out?
Yeah, let me buhok guys. Alay lakad. Alay lakad, yes. I'll show you the bridge. That's the Balti Bridge. Oh, that's the big bridge, guys. I think it's the second biggest bridge in Melbourne. But that's where we're going.
Cross?
Yeah. We can cross right now.
Yes, Papa?
Tala. Mura Japanese si Papa ba? Gloves. Magsabi ka. We're bringing the gift, guys, for the baby. So cool.
Hailey, Paris. Hello.
Hailey. Oh.
Oh, that's dirty.
Oh wow, and your dress is white. So that's the Balti Bridge. And that's the Melbourne Wheel.
Hailey, be careful.
And the fireworks will be happening here later.
Oh my god, you're so cool. Dance now. Dance, Paris. Good job. Come on. Come on, Hailey. Dance. Dance. Ooh, she knows how. See? Can you see Paris dancing? Paris, yes. Guys, time check. It is currently 10 o'clock at night. And we're just outside now. Paris. Honey. Wait, oh boy. Ooh. So we're just waiting for the fireworks, guys. Not until 12 o'clock, of course. It's only two hours to go. It's so beautiful here, guys. See? We're very honored to get an invitation, guys. Beautiful house, beautiful view, beautiful family, beautiful visitors. But yeah, we're very nice here, guys. See the bridge? That's the Balti Bridge on the side there. 1, 2, on makamak mo yan mo. As long as you hold me, I won't let you go. Nuno ka karon, buyan ta ka. We just ate, guys, and we're so full. Yak po more.
Hailey's like Paris. Like she won't take a photo like when you pose, you know.
Yeah. You have to do it while they're not watching.
Keep running away from me.
Yeah.
Yeah, so whenever. So when touching pose, like
Yeah. Ay, ang dami na lang.
may pagkaganyan ang mga.
Ay, tingnan mo, oh. Ano, ala, dance lang yan. Bongga. Kasi malapit nang mag-12 eh.
Ay, ang ganda. Ay, pagkaganyan ang ano, titigil pa yan dyan. Ako, siguro ang fair na. Kukuha kong jacket. Opo.
Gino?
Video ka lang. Tara ka? Guys, ganda ng view dito, guys, ha? Wala, ma. Copyright. Saan yung barko, eh?
Later na lang. Guys, na ay,
Guys,
elevator
VIP.
ilang balay, guys.
VIP. Pagkita mo po ang Melbourne Wheel.
Melbourne Wheel. Oh. There's a bridge. And buildings everywhere. We're in the middle of the city. Tita is taking over the vlog.
Kiss mama? Kiss mama? Oops. Oops. I love you, anak. Guys, time check. What's the time, Mark? 11:30?
Yeah.
11:30, and we're here waiting. Are you sleepy, sweetheart? Are you sleepy? Wait, are you sleepy?
ikaduha day ko.
Kiss mama.
Ikaduha
Kiss mama. Happy New Year, my love. Go down. Down? Careful. Careful. Mak. Mak. Tari mak. Kung sa video.
Last time di 7, dito gito sa 7.
So, this is her second New Year's in Australia.
Yes. New Year's.
Guys, oh, it's very cold. Where's Paris na?
May pa ko guys, yung dalag jacket.
Wala ko nadalag jacket. Oh?
Kita na lang.
Hugot? Paris get jacket too. Ako rajud uy jacket guys. Honey? Dance na? Dance na? Dance.
Dance me.
Careful ha. Mak. Ayoko na.
1, 2. Feeling na ako ang participate sa kuan ganing gasiga gid ang taas ba. Di ba tayo nato yung gadagandagan ng helicopter sa taas, ti?
Wala pa ka na.
No? Naman to, no?
Happy New Year! You baby! What's that? Ooh. What is it?
Ibang tayo siya, like, Laris. Oh, that's nice.
Mas nice sa camera. Mas nice sa camera lang taon. Yes, it's always nice sa camera. Daga, pwede mag-pixel. The last one.
Have a look at the drones. Tara na Ayun doon, nagkamululuti.
Wow, that's very nice.
It's nice.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
So hi guys, just an update. It is currently 1:30 in the morning now. I just got home. I just washed my face. As you can see, it looks very shiny. Just put moisturizer on. But yeah, that's about it for yesterday's video. The vlog was from yesterday, but yeah, I hope that you're having a wonderful new year, guys, and I can't wait to actually see what 2020 has got for me. So so tired, guys. My sister is here. Say, Mom, come on. So yeah,
New Year, everyone!
Happy New Year.
Sino yung ano?
But yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'm so looking forward to actually grow this 2020. I hope that we'll, you know, we're nearly 1,000 subscribers, guys, and I'm hoping to get there very soon. And yeah, I'm so excited to actually do more content and more
What's your
videos with
resolution
you.
for this year?
I don't know, just be better than yesterday. But yeah, thank you, guys. I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Be careful.
bye. Let's go to sleep. Bye.